Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we learn the most daily words in English in a simple but powerful way. I'm so happy to have you here today because we are going to explore another very common English word. By the end of this lesson, you will know its meaning, pronunciation, examples, related words, grammar tips, and even a useful expression. So let's get started. Our word today is alcohol. Let's look at the slide. You see it written here, alcohol, which is a noun. And here is the pronunciation just next to it, alcohol. Look at the phonetics, alcohol. Repeat after me slowly, alcohol, alcohol. Very good. Look at the definition. Alcohol is a type of drink that can make people drunk. It usually appears in drinks like wine, beer, or whiskey. Let's check the example. A person should not drive a car after he or she has been drinking alcohol. This sentence tells us that alcohol affects your ability to drive safely, so it's dangerous. Now, another extra example. I don't drink alcohol anymore. This shows a personal habit. Someone used to drink in the past, but now has stopped. Now let's focus on the orange words in this slide. These are additional words that help you expand your vocabulary. The first word, drink, means something you consume like water, juice, or coffee. Drunk means not sober, someone who has had too much alcohol. Person means a human being. The synonym could be individual or human. And now it's time to go for pink grammar tips. Let's deal with the pink phrases that highlight important grammar points. The first is shouldn't. Should is a modal verb which is used for giving advice in English. For example, you should not eat too much fast food. Another phrase which has been highlighted by pink color is has been drinking. This is the present perfect continuous tense. We use it to show an action that started in the past and continues to now. Another example, she has been studying English for 2 years. So these pink parts are not just for decoration. They are important grammar reminders. Now, at the top of the slide, you can see family words and a useful expression. The first family word is alcoholic, a person addicted to alcohol. For example, he's an alcoholic. Another one, alcoholism. It means the disease or condition of being addicted to alcohol. For example, alcoholism can damage your health. And also we have alcohol abuse, means drinking alcohol in a harmful or excessive way. Example, alcohol abuse is a big problem in many countries. These family words and expressions help you expand your knowledge and use the word in many contexts. Now, let's look at the picture on the right side. You see different bottles in a bar. This visual makes the meaning of alcohol very clear. Whenever you hear the word alcohol, you can connect it with this image of bottles and drinks. So, today we learned the word alcohol. We studied its pronunciation, meaning, examples, extra example, new orange words with their synonyms, pink grammar tips, family words, a useful expression, and they even connected everything to the picture. Remember, The more you connect words with examples, synonyms, grammar, and even pictures, the easier it will be to remember them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more lessons on the most daily words in English. See you in the next video.